It was a good competition. My competitor was awesome. Truth is, I always look forward to going on stage because when I go on stage, my first priority is always to go on there, give up my best and have fun. And then my placement comes afterwards. I went on stage, I had fun. My competitor was great. But truth is, I am looking forward, and I want to say this publicly, I am looking forward to seeing more ladies on stage with me. Come on, ladies, let's do this.
Is this your first time entering?
First year, sir.
First time. What was the experience like?
Honestly, the experience is good.
And how you felt about the competition?
Really great, really great. I'm really proud of myself.
Any surprises in the competition?
You know, it was really a tough competition out there, but I just went out there and did exactly what my coach told me to do, and became a success.
Great competition. Everybody, you know, that you could see that everyone put in the work to prepare. So the physiques were good. Everyone did well with their posing. So it was very competitive and I enjoyed it. Let's go!
So you're a defending champion. And how does it feel to do it two years in a row?
It's a good feeling. My brother was a former Mr. Jamaica and he retained his title twice also. So I just decided to follow in his footsteps and retain my title as well.
Looking at the competition, it seemed quite interesting because you had some people who, I could hear people in the background saying that he's more cut up than Adam. Why do you think you won though?
It's a lot more than just appearance. It's a lot of symmetry and balance, confidence. So the judge know what they were looking for actually.